Now let us see the case of group data. In the case of group data means the question is like this: 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50. Now in this case we have to take out the mean. So how to take out? We are arranging this in the form of vertical columns. 0 to 10 is copied here, 10 to 20, 20, 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50, and the frequency is copied here. Now take out the mid value. Mid value means 0 plus 10 by 2, 10 plus 20 by 2, that is 15, 20 plus 30 by 2, 25, 32 plus 40 by 2 is 35, 40 plus 50 by 2 is 45. Now we can see the formula of mean is what? Sigma fx upon sigma f. Sigma fx upon sigma f. What is sigma fx? Sum of all the fx. What is fx? F multiplied by x. We have f as the frequency. We have x values, mid value. If you are not given the group data, simply this value is given, so that is obviously the mid value. But if grouping is given, we take out the mid value. So f multiplied by x, that is fx. 6 5 is 30, 15 into 8, 25 into 10, 35 into 2, 45 into 4. So what is sigma? Sigma means sum of all the fx we have got. So we add all the fx, we get 650. 650 divided by 30, that is 21.67. So the question ends here only. The question ends here only if it is asked to find the mean using direct method. This you don't have to do. Next portions. And if it is asked, take out the mean using shortcut method. Then how do we do? As per the formula, it is A plus sigma fd upon sigma f. Now two terms are introduced here, A and D. So what is A? A is the assumed mean. So in this case, we suppose 5 terms are there. 5 mid values are there. The middle one will be the assumed mean. This we assume as the assumed mean. Clear? So suppose 6 terms are there, so either the third term or fourth term we can assume as the assumed mean. Answer will remain same if we take the third term or the fourth term. In case of 6 terms, in case of 8 terms. Clear? So now what is D here? D is what? D is x minus a. D is x minus assume mean. X minus assume mean. X we have 5. Assume means what? Assume mean is 25. 5 minus 25 is minus 20. Remember that if you are doing the right calculation, initial values in case of D will always be negative and the next half values will be positive and the mid value will be 0. 15 minus, again D is equals to x minus assume mean. 15 minus 25 is minus 10. 25 minus 25 is 0. 35 minus 25, that is x minus a, as x minus assume mean is 10. 45 minus 25 is 20. Now as per the formula, we require FD. FD means F into D. D we have got. F we already have 6 into 2 minus 6 into minus 1 minus 20 is minus 120. 8 into minus 10 is minus 80. So we have got FDs. Now as per the formula, it requires sum of all the FDs. Now add all the FDs. We have got as minus 100. It will become negative or positive. So apply the formula A plus sigma fd upon sigma f. A is what? The assumed mean. Put the value 25 as the assumed mean. Then sigma fd is, this is sigma fd minus 100 upon sigma f, that is 30. We get again the same value which we have got here. Now the third method using, so if it is asked to use the shortcut method, then we don't require to take out the value of fx. Only we till here. Then you do the fourth column. Then we do the fifth column. If it is asked to use the step deviation method, then the formula is a plus sigma h into sigma fu upon sigma f. What is the value of h? A is assumed mean. H is what? This new term is introduced, f and u. H is what? Difference in the class interval. You can see the difference in the 0 to 10, it is 10 difference, 10 difference, 10 difference. You will get the question with the same class difference. So in each case, the difference in the class interval is what? 10. Difference in the class interval is what? 10. Now h we can see. Now u is what? U is what? U is x minus a by h. U is x minus a by h. X minus a by h. So x minus a is what? X minus a is d. D. D we have to take out, put the value of d upon divided by the class interval. So d is what? Minus 20 divided by 10. Minus 20 upon 10 is minus 2. Minus 10 upon 10 is minus 1. 10 upon 1 is 10 upon 10 is 1. 20 upon 10 is 2. Now as per the formula we require f into u. So multiply f into u. This u we have got multiplied by f. 6 into minus 2 is minus 12. 8 into minus 1 is minus 8. So this way we get value of u into h. Now we require sigma fu. Sigma fu. Sigma fu. So multiply f into u. 6 to the minus 2. So add all the FUs, we get sigma FU. Sigma FU. All the FUs, add all the FUs, we get sigma FU. Now put the value of sigma FU minus 10 here upon 30. Multiplied by the difference in the class interval, that is 10. 10 is the difference in the class interval. 0 to 10, 10 to 20. The difference in the class interval is 10. Now all solving we are getting. So whatever method you apply, the answer you can see is same. I have applied all the three methods in the same question so that you can identify how to proceed if it is asked any particular method in the same question. So when you are asked the first variety, then you have to do using direct method. Yes, you have to do till here. If it is asked the second method, that is using the shortcut method, then you don't have to do this column, then do this, then take out FD as per the formula, what is required in the formula. Clear? So we have to do till here. If it is asked the third method, that is the step deviation method, then we don't have to take out FD because it is not required FD here. We require D but don't require FD here. So we have to apply the third, this part and this part only.